Now this is going to be a pretty quick HostArmada review, especially for the fact that I really like what they have to offer. I'm going to talk to you about my experience, some of the pros and cons if I've even found any yet, and a couple of reasons why you might want to go with them. First and foremost, I do have 2 websites with HostArmada. That's why I put this notepad section on the bottom just to block them off, given the fact they're niche sites and I don't want any more competition when it comes to those specific websites. Aside from that, getting up and running is very easy. One of my favorite aspects about HostArmada is going to be their chat. If you have a look down below, you can either open a support ticket on the left side or you can open up the chat. Whenever I get started, if I have any questions, I'll open up a chat. They get pretty much back to me around the minute or 2. Even better, if you need help when it comes to getting up and running, you can simply ask them for help. Heck, I've even seen someone just have them do them for them, so not like it's very hard to get up and running. They do have the WordPress setup where I think it's by Softalicious. Anyway, that's going to be in your cPanel. Everything is good going forward, and they definitely have some great speed that I've noticed when it comes to this. Aside from the stability and security aspects, which I'll talk about, allow me to show you what I've got going on for one of my websites when it comes to speed. So the cool thing about HostArmada, kind of like every other hosting platform, is they always have some type of sale. But with that, they have a lot of great features and perks, especially if you're just looking for hosting for one or maybe a few websites. So let's take a look at what they have in terms of the pricing, the perks, and the benefits. Now you can pay monthly, annually, biannually, or triannually. Whichever one furthest on the left you pick, the more you're going to save. That's also going to help when it comes to the lack of renewal fees. Every hosting has that, where after you pay a specific amount, there's usually going to be some type of renewal fee, like for annually. The good thing about HostArmada is they're not that bad. It's going to be a little bit more that you paid in the original, but not too much compared to some of the other hosting platforms that I've seen. So let's just say you started with annually. You're looking at around $3.59 a month, even though you're paying once every year. But let's take a look at what you get with just the start doc, okay? One website, which isn't bad, 15 gigs for storage, 2-core CPU, 2 gigabytes of RAM. You do get a free domain, which is nice. That's like a $10 value, depending on where you would go. Free SSL, which is very important. Now, I've actually seen places that charge people for SSL. If you're not familiar with that, it's pretty much the certificate that goes up near your URL, which says that your website is accurate. So if anyone wants to like log in or enter a password or maybe purchase something, they'll know that it's going to be a secure website where they're able to do that. That is a very important aspect, and I feel like a lot of hosting services are definitely using that. 7 daily backups is huge. You pretty much don't need a backup plugin or anything like that. I know I used to pull my hair out trying to look for those, but the fact that it backs it up multiple times every day, you get a lot of default hosting features, website transfer in case you're coming from somewhere else, and then a lot of unlimited stuff like FTP accounts, database, email accounts, which is great. You can do email forwarding because I don't care too much about their email account. What I'll do is I'll create one and then I'll forward the email to my Gmail, so it's much easier to log in and see. You know what I mean? A few other great things like one-click WordPress install, like I talked about. They do have free loading speed optimization. That's where you're going to get that extra speed. A lot of these great things that usually you might have to pay elsewhere to get. Plus, don't forget about malware scan, malware removal. Not every hosting service has this. And of course, the WAF and IP firewall. All your websites will be protected by common and newly discovered exploits. So you get a lot of security when it comes to this. And as you've noticed, you get a lot of speed too. You'll see it increases a little bit. Like you get more backups, you get unlimited websites. Like if you have more than one website, WebWarp is going to be great for you. If you're just getting started, StartDoc is going to be, where you need to go. You can always increase from there. Obviously, if you need more traffic, you need more websites, whatever it's going to be. But all in all, I do give HostArmada 2 thumbs up. I feel like they're a sleeper pick when it comes to hosting services. Given the fact I've created so many websites in my lifetime, I like testing out different web hosting platforms just to see if I can get more benefits. Maybe it's a better price, maybe it has more perks that I'm not aware of. And for HostArmada, I definitely believe in the fact that they have speed, security, and stability. I've seen them myself. I really like them. I've had 0 problems with them, and that's a really big thing for me. Sometimes you go with a hosting company, there's problems they can't solve, and it's just not a good thing because you got your baby on there, you got your website, maybe you got a few of them, but overall I highly recommend it. I will put a link down below. I don't know if this is going to be the current price like I talked about before. They always have these different specials, so feel free to check that out down below for the updated savings on HostArmada. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I hope that you like HostArmada as much as I do.